Right now, travel sentiment has jumped to plus 0.29, with a momentum of plus 1.07, a notable spike compared to the historical baseline. This isn't just a slight uptick. It indicates a significant resurgence in positive feelings towards travel, likely influenced by recent global events or seasonal trends. Our API returns detailed insights, including sentiment scores, clusters, and momentum data, enabling you to dive deep into the travel landscape. Imagine integrating this into your travel recommendation engine. You could tailor suggestions based on real-time sentiment shifts, enhancing user experience by highlighting destinations that are gaining traction. For more insights and to see how you can leverage this data, visit pulsebit.logenterprise.com/docs.